Shayna, are you okay? Are you okay, Shayna? Why are you shaking, You know, I scratched the side of your face and you stopped shaking, at least for a little bit. It's like your face is itchy. Okay. That's the thing she does, is she will wake up and she'll lift up her head and just start shaking like this. And it's like, I don't know, you scratch her head. And she really wants her face scratched. I'm just gonna leave my hand in one spot and let her kind of put her face where she wants it. So, I don't know what's up with her.